My struggle in baking is finding the ingredients you need in stores. Last weekend, I went to Walmart and different kind of stores looking for icing sugar, but I couldn't find it. So I saved myself the stress and the time and money looking online, searching up of how to make homemade icing sugar. So what I learned about how to make homemade icing sugar is getting a white granulated sugar and blending it in the blender, or you could blend it using the food processor. Because I need the icing sugar for this vanilla sprint shortbread. And the things I have to work through in this baking industry is watching more videos and practicing more, because practice makes perfect. So I need to keep watching more YouTube videos.